Parang si James.
I know.
Para maano, ito the
Moving
character.
so slow.
Slow growth lang. Tangina mo.
Minura yung memory.
Slow growth.
Ayaw mo na
I don't know. What happened here? I think it's running so slow.
This is your first time to encounter this issue, Mr. Felix.
I never run on this phone
Let me put you on
before.
hold again. Let me put you on hold for 2 minutes while I run a speed test for you.
Never
Okay.
said that I love you.
Nag-run ako ng speed test.
I know. Alam mo, huwag kang magtanong. Isipin mo, sing, 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 sing.
Bilang pagkunat na nga siya eh.
Like, pretty sing, you know? When you're pretty, you're thinking. When you're thinking, you're pretty.
Gosh, running so slow. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, there you go. Yahoo.com.
Hindi pa lagi na T-zone.
Let me check here.
Did you enter already your user ID?
Oh, improper hold procedure. No. Sure. Not a problem. Will you apologize or because
you
I
already have no help?
will you apologize because I kept on
Alam mo, kanina hawak ko yung kamay.
Waiting.
Already asked on
Dito ka na
that
lang.
side. Now, I want you to browse on that help site.
help side? Wait. There's a hourglass here.
Wow, pen.
It's taking forever. I hate this stupid glass.
It's taking forever.
May mga hints na gano'n, Jay, pag sabi ng gano'n yung member. Dapat manong ano ba
Hindi
yung...
ko na alam
Wait.
ano ba yung hourglass.
Ah,
God!
Ganyan